and welcome to Gorm Guitar. Alexander Stewart, if you like him, this is the channel to go. He's been here before many times, this time Reflection, alright? So this one has a main chord progression in this song, and then we have just some chords that comes and builds up in the chorus, but we have basically 4 chords that builds up the song till about 90% of it. So anyway, let's do this pre-settings first. We have a capo set here on the 3rd fret. That's the easiest scenario for us. And let's do the chords now. So we're gonna start with C. And by the way, we're just gonna work with straight downs here. So no string patterns like this, just simple downs. So C looks like 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have then the GB chord, what I will call it. This is basically a G, but with the B in the bass. Anyway, 2nd fret A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. We have E minor next, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Those are the 4 main chords here, and to handle the rest of the song we need to learn another 2 chords, and that will be the D, F. That is basically the D chord but with an F sharp in the bass. Looks like this. It sounds like that. So it is 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And then we have the G as well. And that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so let's take a look at the main part of the song, like I mentioned, and we're gonna play just straight downs here. So it goes C, 4 string downs, no, 4 downs. I'm used to say strumming, we will just play down. So 4 downs on C, then GB 4 downs, E minor 4 downs, and D 4 downs. So 4 downs per chord, C, GB, E minor, and D. It goes like this. And by now you already learned kind of 90% of this song. But then in the chorus, for instance, at 1 minute and 2 seconds into the song, we have this additional part played. And I think it's in the lyrics, part of me wonders who I'd be. That's where we are. So what you do there is to start this main part of it. So you're gonna play C4, then the GB4. And now, when you come to E minor, you're gonna play this E minor 1 down, then the D, F 1 down, then G 1 down, then D 1 down, and C 1 down with a big pause. And that pause leads up to the new starting point. So you can say that it starts like a new verse or so. I don't know, but the main part, it leads up to the main part that comes with C4 and every other chords played 4 times. So to summarize this added part in the chorus at about 1 and 2 seconds in, it happens a couple times in this song, but that's one point of it. You're gonna play C4, GB4, and then comes E minor, D, F, G, D, and C. 1 down per chord with a big pause in the end. So it goes like this, starting with C4 and GB4. At this point, we learned it already, so that is pretty much all you need to handle Alexander Stewart's Reflection. Give it a try, guys, and if you enjoy my tutorials, show me some love here. Click that subscribe button as well if you haven't done it yet. and get your songs at Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.